Volcanoes are some of nature's most powerful and destructive forces. Today we're counting down the top 5 most dangerous volcanoes in the world. At number 5 is Mount Vesuvius, famous for its eruption in AD 79 that buried the city of Pompeii. It's still active and located near millions of people, making it one of the most dangerous volcanoes today. Number 4 is Mount Merapi, one of Indonesia's most active volcanoes. It erupts frequently, putting the lives of thousands at risk. These are just a few of the deadliest volcanoes on Earth. Which one do you think is the most dangerous?